Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your USB Wi-Fi dongle is not working properly and you're coming across an error message that says access violation at address 100417CF in module WLAPLDLL, read of address 0000000. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, come back with command prompt, right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. We'll come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And now, if you're back into Windows, hopefully your Wi-Fi is back up and running. If not, something else we can try here would be to open up the search menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. Select Yes, and you will be signed out within 5 minutes regardless. So go ahead and just close out of everything and restart your computer. You will need those Wi-Fi credentials once your computer restarts to get back online. They will ask you to enter those back in. So just keep that in mind. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.